Today we are recreating a drink from Galaxy's Edge at Hollywood Studios. Oga's Cantina features the passion fruit inspired Yub Nub. A drink, if mixed properly, will give you the wit of Han Solo. Hey guys, and welcome to another episode of Remy's Apprentice. I decided to mix a little liquid courage before I make my Ronto wraps today. What better way to do that than to use some of my favorite tropical spirits? We're going to want to start with 1.5 ounces of bamboo rum, distilled in Barbados. Recently took a trip to Key West where I found a glazed pineapple rum from Chef's Distilled. But 0.5 ounces of any pineapple rum will do. 1 ounce of freshly squeezed lime juice. And we will be making our very own passion fruit simple syrup. We will need 1/3 cup of water, half cup sugar, and 2 half-sliced passion fruit. Add water to a saucepan, bringing it to a simmer before adding your sugar. After sugar is completely dissolved and water is at a simmer, add and stir the center goo from the passion fruit in. Let simmer for 10 minutes, and when your mix thickens and has reduced in size by half, strain into a bowl, cover, and allow it to cool in a refrigerator, preferably overnight. So I'm old-fashioned, and I like to crush my ice by hand. I also am broke from all the meat price spikes and haven't fixed my crushed ice setting on my refrigerator yet. So put your crushed ice in your glass, regular ice in your shaker before adding all of your ingredients. Start with 3 dashes orange bitters, spiced rum, pineapple rum, lime juice, 3/4 ounce passion fruit simple syrup. Shake. Pour. Don't forget to add a straw and enjoy. This was an amazing drink, perfect for a hot day in Hollywood Studios, which is arguably the hottest park due to less shade. Tastes just like the beach, but I can see why the mixologist at the Cantina recommend this drink. If I didn't feel like part of the resistance before, I do now. Please like, subscribe, leave some feedback, and until next time, cheers.